Hey y'all. So some of y'all probably have noticed this, that, everything from outside is moved inside into our garage. And this is just because it's getting chilly. We don't want the worms freezing. And I'm gonna show you guys what's been happening. So, like you guys just saw, I got this stuff in here just right now. This was just like a few days ago, but yeah, I just haven't been making videos as much because I just got into high school and yeah, homework got the best of me. But I got a hold of it and I can show you all around. So, if I can get this guy off, we have this guy right here. Just this is momentarily. This has nothing inside of it. No worms. It was just like I'll talk about it later. But we have this guy. The buckets and these are castings. These are coffee grounds. This is not just chicken starter. I also added some worm chow. I can't remember the name, but I bought it once. And then here's all the extra supplies like bubble wrap and egg carton. And then we have this guy right here, peat moss. And oh yeah. So I got the extendo arm so we can clip it on like that and show you guys inside here. We got the sifter. This is 1/8 for cocoons. The molasses sprayer and some sludge. And in the next video, we'll be using this for brooder bins. So this guy is really good for like stuff like this. Like I was putting chow into here, and just to make sure I used that, just so it didn't get everywhere. And then some safety glasses just in case. And I also added just today like a sticky note. Now that'll be in the next video. And we can go in here. And I got the sunflower seed and the worms. Now about these are wait, no. I can remember, I swear. Okay, these are red wrigglers because I did a little silly and I thought it was a good idea to put red wriggler in the big bin. At the time, I was thinking, oh, they're good for resisting, weather and all that. And I think I had a few other reasons, but I noticed that these guys don't get too big. They're looking pretty big compared to how they used to look right now, but I just like the name European net curler because so many fisheries everywhere have those. It's like a standard. Okay. And we got this guy. This guy has the Euros. Wow, so strong. Did it with one. This will be good. So this is the Euros. These are the Euros. And I added slosh into here while I was gone for a trip. And you can see they just loved it. They're all over. Big ball right here. Some worms in here. And you can see, I haven't, not even looking at the camera. You can see These guys are a lot bigger, and I haven't fed them the stuff that I've been feeding the red wigglers. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm really sorry for not making a video for this, guys. I was, like I'm saying, I had like a lot of stuff to do with the, high school. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. And the next video, we're gonna be taking some of these worms and putting them into breeder bins. And if y'all don't know what that is, it is basically just a bin or a bucket that has bedding that is perfectly suitable to encourage worm breeding. And personally, I'm gonna use the breeder bins that Jane at can't remember her name on YouTube. Rockin' Worms. Awesome lady. Yeah, I'll be using that method. Ooh, I hit the camera. Oh, I'll get closer actually, just to make sure. I don't know if I got that much video, but yeah, we'll be using those. That like, I guess, bin plan, and yeah, it'll be a longer video than this. I know this is around like 9-10 minutes. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. The next one will probably be like 20 minutes. I don't know. But yeah, these guys, ever since I put like the this stuff in it, they just love it. That's all they like. Same with like I can't remember if this is nectarine or an apple. That's nectarine. Yeah, they just really loved it in this one. So yeah, we'll be getting that video going. Alright, that'll be all for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope your worm bins are doing fine. Okay, see y'all.